Okay, this is the noise I was talking about. When you turn the car on first thing in the morning, like this. There's this abnormal ticking sound. I don't know if the camera is going to capture it or not, but let's go to the